Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Sports guys, softball fans, and certainly Beavs and Ducks have tried to get another game of the Civil War this afternoon. Not so much. In fact, picked up about a half an inch of rain. Most of that fell within about 4 or 5 hours up towards the Corvallis, Albany area. Now, we'll see the rain taper off some as we head into the overnight hours tonight, but there's still a good amount out there. And again, you don't even need me to put the big L right in the center, right around, let's say anywhere from the Dalles over towards Portland. That's basically where this low has been sitting up shop, and it is not going to move much over the next 24 hours. Eventually, it'll start to uncoil just a bit and head north, but at least for the, we'll call it the foreseeable future tonight and tomorrow, we're going to see more of this. Heavier pockets of rain at times, and again, little disturbances that will rotate around that. What I mean by that is it's basically what we call little vortices or little areas of disturbed weather. As they continue to fire around the main low itself, they concentrate the showers, and that's what we get, those real heavy pockets of downpours coming through like we saw earlier today and again earlier this morning. So I'm expecting the rain to be kind of tapering off to scattered showers. You can see that's pretty much what the Storm Tracker 9 live radar sweep is showing now throughout the rest of the late afternoon and early evening here. Go north up the I-5 up into Portland. You'll probably run into some heavier pockets of showers, and headed over the passes, both at 20 and down on 58 at Willamette Pass. They're starting to pick up some sticking snow too. Temperatures tonight will be below freezing, so you'll likely see some slick roadways out there. So temperatures, or excuse me, rainfalls today, not bad. About a half an inch just about for everybody. Down to Roseburg about a third, and then out towards Bend and Redmond didn't pick up a whole lot today. They'll get more chances coming the next couple of days. 42 out in Bend. Speaking of which, we're sitting in the mid-40s here in the valley, around 50 in Portland, just above freezing up at the Santiam Pass, and it already is below freezing down on Odell Lake. And we'll continue to keep a cool forecast at least for the next couple of days. You can see the jet stream goes all the way into Southern California, and so this low cut off by itself is going to sit and continue to pull in that moisture off the ocean, and that is going to keep more showers around, not only just tonight, but in towards tomorrow's forecast, where we'll start to see the cold air bring in some accumulating snow, because the snow lines will drop down below the passes probably to around 3,500, 3,000 feet. Then as we get in towards Memorial Day weekend, in particular, Saturday evening into Sunday, as Jake was mentioning, when the Duck softball team get ready for their games, should be dry. I don't think we'll see widespread sunshine and warm temperatures, but at least drier, and certainly not as kind of windy and soggy out there as what we've been seeing for most of the day today. Tomorrow, though, that will be the case. Coast will likely see scattered showers both tomorrow and into Thursday. They'll be tapering off some by Friday. We'll keep a mention of a few around for Saturday's forecast, and I think as we go towards Memorial Day evening, overnight into Tuesday, we've got another quick hitter coming through. In the Umpqua Basin, scattered showers tomorrow, temperatures in the mid-50s, back to the upper 50s by Thursday, and then finally rotating back into the upper 60s to around 70 as we head in towards the holiday weekend. 2 to 3 inches of snow in the Cascades. Again, ski resorts could be looking at maybe close to 6 to 8 inches. And as we see, the freezing level will be on the low side around 3,000 feet. Rain, snow mix at times in Bend and Redmond. Rain in the afternoon, changing over back to kind of a wet, flaky snow as we head into the overnight hours, as the temperatures will fall into the 30s. Then finally in the valley, scattered showers tomorrow. Highs only around 51 to 52 degrees, and then slowly warming back up into the 60s, guys. 68's our high for this time of year. Looks like we may not hit that until we head to about Sunday's forecast, as opposed to 75 yesterday, which was just glorious.
After all the above average temperatures we've had, though, we need these cooler temperatures to make the average,
kind of
right?
Average everything out. That's right. Absolutely.
There's still quite a shock, no matter which way you put it, when you wake up and there's 52 or upper 40s
Especially
right
when you
now.
Step outside, you're like, whoa.
That's the big shock.
Yeah, little difference.
Yeah, big change.
Thanks, Justin.
You bet.